how's it going? Thank you again for stopping by and visiting with me. I am outdoors, and it is only because I'm having some laptop stuff happening in the other room. It's still churning away on some of these videos that I've been trying to upload. So I figured, you know what? I'm just going to grab my phone, come out here. It's an absolutely gorgeous day here in Atlanta, and go ahead and do my videos here in the backyard. What the heck, right? So in today's video, I just wanted to make mention that these are not endorsed by anybody. I am not a medical professional. I just want to put it out there. But I went around, and at the beginning of this whole pandemic situation and virus situation, I went ahead and tried my best to find hand sanitizers and find masks. They were in very, very short supply. They are starting to be a lot better right now. This is, getting to be June. But they were really nowhere to be found, a couple of months ago. So I wanted to go ahead and just make mention to a couple of little things that I found, things that might help you out and things like that. And I won't stay on here for long. I just wanted to go ahead and review them basically and let you know what I like about them and everything like that. Okay, the first thing I wanted to show you guys, and I got 2 bottles of this, and I can't for the life find the other bottle because I think my son has it. But this is called Earth's Enrichments, and they are an Etsy store, so they are on Etsy. And I can go ahead and put the link below so you'll be able to see them. They're not endorsed. They didn't send me this or anything like that. I bought this out of my own pocket. But this is the Lavender Grapefruit Hand Sanitizer. Kills 99.99% of germs. It's USDA organic certified. What I liked about this right away was that it was organic and a natural product, and yet it worked very well. So this is how it looks like. Okay. And it's not a big bottle, as you can see. That's, one of my dings against it. It's only 2 fluid ounces. It's not a big hand sanitizer, but you don't need a lot, to get the job done, as they say. This was about, I would say like $6 or $7 online. So it wasn't cheap, because you could get a lot bigger for about $3.99 now for hand sanitizers, a lot more bang for your buck. But it was organic, it was available, and $6, $7. Okay, I bought 2 of them. I really, really needed hand sanitizer. This smells amazing. It absolutely smells amazing. It's lavender and grapefruit. It's just like you want to spray this all over you. It's just gorgeous. Now, sorry about the dogs out here because people are doing their yard work and everything, so I'm going to try to talk even louder now and above the noise. Holy cannoli. I mean, the timing of these people are just crazy. Anyway, the lavender has, let me try to see what it's got here. Organic alcohol. Now, I don't know what organic alcohol is, but it's got organic alcohol. It's got organic aloe vera gel, organic lavender essential oils. Now, if you are sensitive to essential oils in any way, caveat, this is only going on your, the palm of your hands and your fingers, but if you have any type of skin sensitivity, please consult with a dermatologist or your doctor before using any essential oils, because that's where you're going to get in trouble, is with essential oils. But it doesn't bother me. So this is, let's see, lavender essential oil, organic grapefruit essential oil, organic tea tree essential oil. I love tea tree. Tea tree is just like, it kills anything and everything. And that's all there is in it. And they are out of Baltimore, Maryland. Again, Earth's Enrichments, Inc. And you can, I guess you can go on their website, earthsenrichments.com, and I'll put the link, the call out down here. But again, I got this off of Etsy. They were very prompt in their shipping. I mean, I think it shipped out. I think I got the little order ping notification that it literally was being packaged that day, and I think it shipped out the next day. So absolutely fabulous. Fabulous, great, highly recommend them. And again, organic and natural. And this is why I came on here, because this is not your everyday, sanitizer and things like that. I'm trying to bring you guys something unique in case you want to look at it, in case you're up into doing all of this. Now this one here is 99.9% effective, lavender and aloe. It's called Everyone for Everybody, and they are usually in all the health food stores. So you'll find these at Whole Foods. You'll find this at Sprouts. I believe I got this at Sprouts, actually, if I remember correctly. I think I got this at Sprouts. And it's just a hand sanitizer. Let me see. No parabens, no synthetic fragrances, no triclosan. And active ingredient is ethanol, 62%. Active ingredients, purified water. It still has lavender essential oil, aloe leaf, and glycerin. It's just got those 2 or 3 items on it. Again, absolutely fabulous. Probably about that same price range, around that $6-7 mark, maybe a little bit cheaper. I think it was probably a little bit cheaper, but definitely I got this way before the pandemic even started. I didn't even know that there would be one. This was like way in like January or something, and it's been great. It's a spray. There it is. I'll spray a little on my hand here. There you go. Oh, it just smells so wonderful. It's just got that lavender scent to it. It's just so relaxing for me to smell lavender. I don't know, guys, what it is about lavender, but it is absolutely fabulous for me. Okay, so going on another Etsy product, and I don't remember. I think it was like Chawkra Paws. I think that's what her Etsy name was. And again, I'll put it down here below so you guys can see it. These were, by my standards, kind of expensive. They were about $15, and they were at the height of the scare going around. So I couldn't find a mask to save my life, and so I went on Etsy, and this Chawkra Paws was one of the only shops that had them available. They're out of Hawaii, and I will demonstrate to you how this is two colors. You can wear either side. I usually wear the dark side on the inside and then the pretty one on the outside. And what I love about this is how soft this ear thing is. It is just so soft, and you just kind of put it like this. And sorry about the sun's coming in, guys, but put it on here and there, you see? And it fits really comfortably. There are some pockets of air on the top here, but I'm not using this to, I'm not going out. This is a lot for work where I'm just going down the hallway. If I sit at my cube, I can take this off. But if I'm walking down the hallway or just, conversing with anyone with my 6 feet social distancing, then I'm wearing this at work. And I think it's really stylish. It's really pretty. It's very comfortable. And this is the kind of mask that I want to wear for a prolonged length of time. And sorry about the light here, guys. I'm going to try to flip this around a little bit so it's not that much light. There you go. Hopefully I'm getting into the sun is starting to come at me, and that's what's going on. Okay, guys, sorry, I flipped myself around so that I wouldn't be in the sun. I just hate when half of me is in the sun and the other half isn't. Okay, so where was I? Oh, yeah. So I wear these mostly at work. Now, they come in 2 colors. I ordered this one for myself and then this one for my husband, who's yet to wear it. And again, it's kind of like it's like a dark blue on this side, and it's like a beige on this side, so you can wear either side. He does not go out yet. He has not gone out to anything that really requires a mask. I'm keeping him very safe and very indoors because he does have diabetes, so I'm trying to make sure that he's not comes into contact with anybody, because it could be really bad. It could be really bad really fast. And then the other one that I got, the last thing I got, is at Target, and I got a package of these. These were at the front of the Target area, like where the cash registers are. It was like a bin of these, and these are daily face cover, soft breathable mask for daily wear. Okay, and I just popped these open. I have not worn them yet, but I bought them just in case I need them, or my son needs them, or we need them in a pinch, as they say. Apparently, now these are soft cloth, and I'll take these out. They're just a bunch of them, okay, and they're just cut up, very soft. I mean, these are extremely soft, and I'm gonna take one and unfold it. This is the inside of it. It's kind of fuzzy. It's almost kind of like fuzzy. And then this is the other side of it, like that. And you know, you just hook it on. I'm not gonna really hook it, but that's how it looks like if you hook it on like that. Okay, pretty tight, pretty good. Now there is a gap on the bottom. You know, I can tell it's not like 100% covering your chin. It covers your nose, but there's definitely a gap on the bottom, if you see it. Okay, again, these are in a pinch. This is just like dire emergency. I don't have any of my other masks with me. I do have an N95 mask, and that is for going into, you know, grocery stores or any other place where I am in close proximity. I cannot keep my safe 6 feet social distancing, and you know, I'm in close contact with other people that choose to or choose not to wear a mask. Let's just say that. So my N95 is for those type of situations. This again, I will keep this for just in a pinch. It's better than nothing. This is not medical grade. They don't even claim that it is. It just says here, the face mask is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. And it basically doesn't take the place of, you know, a regular mask. There's no warranties. It says either express or implied that the mask prevents infection or the transmission of viruses or diseases. So they're basically, they're not giving you a lot of, you know, security as far as what this does. Again, better than nothing. If you have to get into an environment or a situation, I would say keep this in your glove compartment or in your car or anything like that, and then just in a pinch, if you really need to go somewhere where you know that you're going to have close contact with others, you know, pop it on. It's better than nothing. Okay, and this was about I think it was about $15 for the whole package of 10, again at Target. Not expensive, but you're not getting much bang for your buck. I mean, these are disposable. They are not for wearing more than one time. You really can't wash them. I don't think that they would come out well. I think that they would shrink, or they just probably disintegrate if you did wash them even by hand. You could try if you want to, but I'm not going to. I'm just, you know, going to keep it as a side extra one just in case, and then if I absolutely need it, I will use it. But so far we have not used it. It's not one of my, you know, favorite go-tos, but I wanted to make mention of it. So I think that's all that I've got for you guys. I will leave the link below to the 2 Etsy shops, so if you guys want to go up there and go get them. I have Instagrammed about definitely the hand sanitizer, and I know there was a lot of interest in the hand sanitizer and where people could get that on Etsy. And I certainly do like these masks, the way that this lady made the masks. They're out of Hawaii. I will make mention of that. And it did take a while for her to ship it out, and coming from Hawaii, and we're in Georgia, it did take a while to get here. I would say give it about 2 to 3 weeks, definitely, if you're going to order from Chawkra Paws. Give it 2 to 3 weeks, because she was overwhelmed. Now, this was about a month and a half ago, and she was overwhelmed with a lot of orders. A lot of people were ordering at the same time, and she was working as quickly as possible. I did reach out to her, and you know, it was like over a week, and I had not heard as far as updates, notifications that she had shipped it or anything. So I did reach out to her and asked, you know, how's it going as far as my shipment is concerned, and she was very pleasant. She emailed me back right away, and she just said that she was very overwhelmed, and she had a lot of orders, but to be patient, and then, you know, she would do it as quickly as possible. And then the next day, I got a notification that my item was being shipped or being processed. So, you know, don't harass her or anything. Don't beat on her about, you know, where's my order, where's my order. But I just wanted to let you guys know that it's not an overnight kind of thing, okay? None of these products are. Etsy, for the most part, they're run by very small shop owners who work, you know, tirelessly, and they're working on all of these things and trying to get them shipped out as quickly as possible. So, you know, just bear that in mind, okay? Anyway, thank you again for putting up with the noise in the background, and thank you again for, you know, tuning in. And if you're new, hi, how are you? Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. I hope that you subscribe. I hope that you find enjoyment in my other videos and get to look at other things that I make. I do skincare, and I make other stuff, and my neighbor is like screaming his head off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, time to get off. Anyway, give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!